In this video we are going to do a speed test. So basically guys, we are going to see which one of the phone is faster. I have a Moto E Play and also a Samsung Galaxy A10e. So the first thing in which we are going to do a startup test. I'm going to turn on the phones together. 1, 2, 3. So I hit the buttons together. The phones are powering on. We are going to see which one will turn on the fastest, the Samsung A10e or the Motorola E Play.
Hello, Moto.
Wow, the E5 Play actually beat the Samsung A10e. As you can see over there, the phone is still starting, so it beat the A10e. So we are going to do a brief test to see the different reactions here. Let's scroll down. Let's hit the setting button at the same time. Wow, let's do that again. Let's scroll down and hit the setting shortcut at the same time. Let's see which one is faster. Wow, it seems to me like the Motorola is faster, but time will tell, right? Let's go ahead and open an app. So let's go ahead and open the camera app. It's actually the first time I'm using the camera app on the Motorola, so definitely we will have to do this over, right? We will have to do this over. So this is what I'm gonna do. Let's hit the camera app again. So definitely it seems like when it comes to the camera, the Samsung Galaxy A10e is faster, right? So let's do it again. Let's open a different app. Let's try the phone app to see which one will open faster. As you can see, the Moto opened much faster. Let's try again. So the phone app is here. Let's go. The Moto is indeed faster. So to conclude this video, let's do a quick shutdown. Let's do a shutdown test to see which phone is the fastest. 1, 2, 3. So guys, we have the Motorola E5 Play. Appears to be much faster in most ways over the Samsung Galaxy A10e. So I hope that this video was informative for you. Do like, share and subscribe.